Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this Bitcoin wallet, which is Bitcoin Core. So I'm going to start with the breakdown about this wallet and the beginner review about what this wallet can do. So to get started, Bitcoin wallet remains the most secure and decentralized Bitcoin wallet available, but it is not for beginners. As the official Bitcoin full node software, it lets users independently verify all transactions by downloading the entire blockchain. This ensures unmatched privacy, zero resilience on third parties, and full control over your coin. It supports coin control, custom fees, Tor routing, and enhance the Bitcoin network by running a node. However, the wallet is heavy and technical. Initial setup can take days and hundreds of gigabytes of storage. There's no mobile version, so no recovery seed phrase, just manual backup, and it's Bitcoin only, no altcoin, no NFTs, no staking, and no built-in swap. Mistakes like mismanaging backup or pruning can easily lead to lost funds, especially for non-technical users. So here's a general conclusion about this platform. So Bitcoin Core is the most trusted option for experienced users who value privacy, decentralization, and full self-custody. So, but if you are a new crypto, or if you are new to crypto or want a convenience, it is best to look for lighter, more user-friendly wallet than Bitcoin Core. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this crypto wallet. And that's it. If you find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.